Hello and welcome to, excuse me. Hello and welcome to Honors Geometry. Just going to do a quick video talking about how you can use the ELHS program to help you through the honors assignments that you're going to be doing. We will be expecting you to be self-sufficient and motivated. Honors, best of the best. So congratulations on being put in here, and I'm really looking forward to working with you and seeing what we can do as far as learning and delving deeper into geometry than we would in just our regular level 3 geometry. So I want to take a quick look again at the prerequisites assignment that I have set up for you in ELHS. I'm going to share this screen so that you can take a quick peek. All right, now this is an example of a question that's on the prereq assignment. I'm not going to do formal notes for it. These are prerequisite pieces of knowledge. According to Khan Academy, when I looked up the different topics for geometry, all of these should have been covered before high school. So if there are things here that either you haven't done or you are a little rusty on, you can't remember all of it, this is the reason that I made this video. If you're good with ELHS and you can use the tools that ELHS gives you, then you're going to be fine, and you can probably just fast forward this. But here again is an example of one of the types of questions that are on this this assignment for you. And let's say that you either get it wrong or you just look at it and you say, shoot, I don't remember what congruent was. I have no idea how to answer this question. Okay? There is an explanation button on the student view as well, but this is what the explanation would look like. Okay? It would show you the question again, and then it would give you ELHS's version of the explanation. Okay? So here, as you can see, it says, congruent figures have exactly the same size and shape. Oh, okay, well, being an honors geometry student, that little piece of information should jumpstart your brain, and you should be able to go back and do these questions pretty simply. Okay? You say, oh, same size, same shape. Okay, well, circles are the same shape, but these two aren't the same size, so not congruent. Okay? And then these are triangles, and you can measure the individual sides, and you say, yes, same size, same shape, congruent. Okay, good example right there. I'll give you another one here. Let's look at, this is another question from that assignment, and this is saying that J and K are points on a number line. If the measure of JK is 6 units long, J lies at -13, where could K be located? All right, and if you're looking at that and say, well, how could it be more than one location? And you can't remember that, you could go to the right or to the left of J to get K. Well, again, you can go back and hit the explanation, and the explanation here is actually a very nice one. They even give you a nice little visual at the bottom. They give you the right answer. And you have unlimited attempts at each of these questions. So please take advantage of the format that the ELHS program gives you. If you want extra practice on one of these questions, even after you get it right, you can go back and click on that number, and it'll give you another similar question. You will not be penalized if you get subsequent questions wrong. You can just keep getting more and more practice. I may only give you one or two questions from a topic, but if you're somebody that requires more repetition, more practice to really grasp and be proficient at a topic, please take your time and go back and do more than two of these questions. Click that question number again and try more different versions of that question. Okay, so take advantage of the format that we have. Okay, and that's about it. I'm gonna start making very brief mini notes here for our 2 days in Unit 1. Unit 1 should be a very quick unit for us. You probably have either seen or learned most of the content that we're going to be going over in Unit 1. But anytime that you are stuck, please, after you have tried to look at the explanations that the ELHS program gives you, reach out, please. Contact me if you're not going to be in person in the class that day. Feel free to write and say, I would like to see something done out. I could do that during either the next class period, during a flex period, and if it's urgent and you really want to see that question done correctly, or just have a quick hint, then I usually reply to reminds and emails promptly. Okay, so you will have support, plenty of support, but in honors geometry, I am going to try to allow you to be autonomous and independent, and not rely on me showing every single thing and breaking down every single thing for you. And then because that is going to be the case, I think we can go deeper and maybe have some fun activities, some projects to maybe give a little enhanced meaning to these topics that we're going to be going over. That'll do it for the first little intro video, and I'm going to go get to work on your first notes. So, see ya.